Welcome to a whole new world of science and technology. Today, we are going to explore some amazing powerful trucks technology in the world. 1. Unloading the car transporter Lortavura. Engineered to be adapted on tractor chassis with short wheelbase, 3,800 mm plus 100 mm. Is a family of bodies and trailers intended to carry out loadings of light vehicles. This up to 12 meters long trailer allows for a higher loading capacity than a trailer for the traditional configuration. Rigid truck plus trailer stacking systems are optimized. Few accessories are required. Two. Hammar 195 Sideloader. The Hammar 195 is the most popular sideloader model in the world. It's designed with versatility in mind and is available with a lifting capacity of 25, 36 or 40 tons. Lifting from to ground. Transfer from to another chassis. Three. Truck Copal handling systems. Copal C2 unloading and palletizing solution. The flexible Copal C2 unloads heavy jute bags automatic from containers. The bags are palletized by a robot according to a stacking pattern set by the customer. After completion, the pallets are removed with a forklift truck. The system can be moved quickly and easily and operate at multiple locations, also outside. No dock levelers are needed.
4.
Trax 1000 SME. Founded in 1965, SME specializes in railway demolition, recovery and treatment of industrial and metal waste. This new machine, which was recently started up, has a cutting force of 1,000 tons, a cutting width of 940 millimeters, a compression tank of 7 meters and a Stage V diesel engine of 550 HP. Replacing a Trax 600T with a Shear 1000T, more powerful and more efficient. Fine. Flegel Push-Off ASW 391 GreenTech. Tridem chassis, permissible total weight 29,000 kilograms. Drawbar load to 1,000 kilograms, Novigrau painted chassis, optimized payload with integrated vehicle frame. Six. RUTHMANN Cargo Loader RCP-75. Loads of up to 3.26 T. Lift and lower the entire cargo area to ground level within seconds. The practical dimensions and easy handling of the RCP-75 ensure that goods are loaded and unloaded in the most efficient and safest way possible. At the push of a button, the cargo area can be smoothly raised and lowered hydraulically from approx. 0 mm to 1,600 mm. 7. Landfill Tipper. Tipper is designed to raise itself in front for coupling to a truck, tractor, or converter dolly for relocation in the landfill. Economical, haul greater payloads, less maintenance. Expand landfill production, upgrade working conditions, reduce operating costs. Improve landfill efficiency, increase profits.